Via3L is one of the largest logistics services providers in the Baltics. The company has a modern logistics center in Estonia, with a floor space of over 35,000 square meters. Every day, many vehicles visit the territory of Via3L, requiring automation and control of planning, arriving, queuing, and departing vehicles. To tackle it, we created Entringo Traffic. It helps to manage vehicle traffic and access control fast and efficiently. Entringo Traffic is an intelligent traffic management platform where various functions and operations are integrated, and unified automation and software control the entire traffic flow. The journey begins with the planning and booking of the time slots for vehicles and goods in a self-service environment. Transportation partners can choose a convenient time window to enter the territory. When the vehicle arrives, the automatic number plate recognition camera detects the vehicle's registration number. The license plate is compared with the information in the traffic software, and if the vehicle has a valid permit, it is allowed into the territory. At the entrance, guidance and further instructions are displayed. The vehicle is then forwarded to a virtual queue. The warehouse worker receives the information about the vehicle's arrival and can call it from the queue. The driver gets a message that tells where they need to go.
Entringo süsteemi kasutuselevõtt on aidanud meil väga selgelt tõsta oma laadimiste ja inbound-protsesside efektiivsust. Me teame väga täpselt, millal, kes tuleb ja suudame seeläbi juhtida oma ressursse efektiivselt. Partnerid, kes on võtnud kasutusele Entringo süsteemi, saavad olla kindlad, et autod, kes on planeerinud konkreetse laadimisakna, saavad konkreetselt selle samal hetkel maha. Autodel ei teki seisutunde, nad ei hiline järgmistele laadimistele ja päeva lõpuks taandub asi meie partneri rahulolule. Üle ega ümber ei saame kindlasti ka turvalisusest. Entringo süsteem annab meile väga hea ülevaate, kes millal on meil territooriumil, nii seda täna kui ka tegelikult pikema ajaloo jooksul, ehk siis meil on väga hea ajalooline ülevaade oma liiklusest. Lisaks sellele, et me saame jälgida, kes on meil siin, me saame ka seda juhtida. Ehk siis meil on need samad partnerid, kellele me saame öelda, millal ja kus nad saavad olla, aga teistpidi me saame ka võimaldada tervele enda suurele mitmesaja masinalisele masinapargile liikluse. Ehk siis tegelikult meil on väga hea võimalus juhtida kogu liiklusvoogu ja olla kindlad, et õiged autod on õigel ajal õiges kohas.
Entringo Traffic Solution is suitable for everywhere where it is needed to plan, control, and automate traffic management in a territory. Its final functionality is up to each customer, as traffic is modular and can therefore be designed according to each customer's needs and business requirements. Entringo Traffic is a modern way to manage and organize the daily work related to the traffic of goods and vehicles in logistics centers, ports, wood mills, and other industries.